Hi, Jan Tyler Indigo Soul, and I just wanted to tell you a bit about me and about my crystal workshops. I've been doing crystal therapy probably for about 3 years now, and I'm a Reiki master. I've been doing Reiki for about 5 years, and I absolutely love what I do. Um, Both of them work really well together. But I want to predominantly talk about crystal therapy today because of my up and coming workshops. This will be my third run of workshops, and I'm absolutely loving them. I'm actually absolutely loving teaching all about crystal therapy. Last year I was burnt out in my business. I was doing too much. I wasn't having enough me time, and I totally burnt out. And I ended up taking almost months off in away from my business. I was still posting on my page my card of the day, test your intuition, etc. But I was totally burnt out, and every time I tried to do some work, I just wasn't getting anywhere because it was just stopping me because I was burnt out. I fell out of love with my business completely. I couldn't understand why, because I've always loved what I do, but I just felt like it was all just a waste of time. I felt stuck. I didn't know what to do with myself, to be honest. And then I'd had two or three readings from friends that I've known for quite a while. And I was told that I needed to start doing workshops, and I was feeling really, really low, didn't have any energy, really didn't know what to do with myself. And I decided to just take the leap and start doing workshops. And I'm so glad I did, because it pushed me to do healing on myself again, because believe it or not, I hadn't been doing regular crystal healing on myself, and it had made such a difference. Because as healers, for those of you that are healers, light workers, card readers, whatever you do, if you work in the light, really, really drains your energy all the time, because you're helping other people all the time, even sometimes when you don't even know you are. Even just talking to someone, you're giving out your healing energy without even knowing. People tend to come to you for advice, even just for a listening ear. Sometimes I've found that all my life, to be honest, people have always come to me, and very often I haven't even said anything, and they've said, "Thank you, I feel so much better." And you think, well, why I haven't even said anything? And it's because you've got that kind of healing within you. You're meant to be here as a healer. And if that resonates with you, then I wholly and completely recommend crystal therapy. It is the most powerful tool to get your energy levels back up to where they should be. Even if it's like after an illness or some kind of trauma, if you've lost your job, if you've lost a relationship, anything, it is absolutely fantastic. Yes, you can do Reiki on yourself, and I still do Reiki on myself as well. But for me, crystal therapy is so powerful, and it's quick. It works really quick. Within a day or two, your energy is back, your vitality is back, your positivity is back. You just feel absolutely fabulous. And the techniques that I share in this course, the healing techniques that make up a full therapy session, if you like, are completely unique. They are not taught anywhere else. I went to a friend of mine that actually makes crystal mala beads. She's absolutely lovely, and she did crystal therapy, and I asked her where she learned, and she recommended a lovely lady who's been doing crystal therapy and teaching crystal therapy for 30 years. She's actually retired in terms of teaching now. I don't even know if she still does much crystal therapy, but she taught me these absolutely wonderful, unique methods. I teach how to chakra balance, how to aura cleanse. A lot of people just do chakra balancing without doing aura cleansing. And aura cleansing, if you don't clear any blocks in the aura, they will keep affecting the chakras. And with aura cleansing, I teach you how to clear blocks, not only from the present, blocks that you might pick up in day-to-day life, or if you're a healer, any energy that you pick up that might be draining, or even if you're an empath, that can work as well, But I also teach you how to clear them from the past as well. I teach you all about crystal healing webs, which are super, super powerful. They're nothing like crystal grids at all. You leave them for days at a time, and they continue working on your body for things like imparting confidence, for balance and calm, for anything from that to increasing your libido, even if you want to. There's so many different crystal webs. I also teach you how to do intuitive webs as well, how to do meridian healing, which is based on Chinese Eastern culture. Not just Chinese Eastern culture, and it's actually the points that are used in acupuncture. So I teach you how to do meridian healing, but with crystals instead. Not a lot of people know, but with acupuncture they have quartz crystal on the end of the needles. So it is actually crystals that they use for healing with acupuncture. But I teach you how to heal the meridians with crystals, how to do crystal healing systems to get you into the type of system that you should be in. Such as if you used to be really good at organisation and you suddenly find you're not, that might be that you need some system healing. Oh, you name it, it's wand healing, crystal wand healing. It's jam-packed with everything you need to know to do a full healing on yourself and on others. I teach you how to do it via distance, which is the method you use to heal on yourself, so it's super easy. And I also teach you how to do the healing in person as well. So, you can become a fully qualified crystal therapist. You gain a certificate at the end of the course. So as soon as you've attended the 4 workshops, you get a certificate because you're demonstrating to me that you can heal yourself all the way through, because we do the actual healing on ourselves as we go through. And you can also gain a diploma by doing 3 case studies. But as far as I'm aware, you can get insurance for being a crystal therapist just with a certificate anyway. So it's entirely up to you whether you want to go for the diploma or not. It's an absolutely brilliant course. Everyone that's been on the course, the ladies that are on the course at the moment, absolutely love it. So if you want to know more information, then let me know and I'll pop the link below for the workshops. At the moment you can secure your place for £100 deposit, and then there are payment arrangements in place. But I'm flexible, I don't want money to be the reason that people can't use this absolutely fabulous crystal therapy on themselves and others. It absolutely lights me up inside knowing that I'm actually helping people to become crystal therapists, because it is highly sought after. I love Reiki, but there are loads of Reiki practitioners, aren't there? You don't see so many crystal therapists about, so it is highly sought after. So if you want to know more, as I say, I'll pop the link below. And also, if you can't get to Telford in Shropshire, where the workshops are held, then let me know and I'll give you the link to my online course as well. People have had fantastic results with the online course. I've got ladies in Scotland. One lady in Scotland started doing my course. She's now become a crystal therapist working from a therapy centre, and she's recommending everybody to the course. So I've got loads of ladies in Scotland that are doing the online course at the moment and doing really, really well. And the lovely lady in question, you'll know who you are if you're watching this, she she actually does crystal therapy in person. So even though she did the online course, she's actually doing crystal therapy in person. So it's an absolutely brilliant course. It really is. And if you don't want to just take my word for it, then you can click on the link below and read all the testimonials on my website. Okay, I think that's it. As I say, it's £100 deposit secures your place. There is a payment plan on there whereby you're paying 4 payments. I can't remember what they are off the top of my head, but you're paying 4 payments starting in September. The payments will start automatically in September, or in 2 payments starting in September. But if you can't manage those and you want a better payment plan, a longer payment plan if you like, then I am quite happy to discuss that with you. So I would absolutely love you to join us if this resonates with you and you love crystals as much as I do. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.